Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna show you how to do this very dramatic halo smoky eye using the Naked Trip palette by Brand K. I love this palette. It's one of my favorites of all the time. So to begin this look, I'm gonna apply a eyeshadow base, and this is the color Ignite by Sigma Beauty. So I'm gonna spray it out all over the lid using a brush. This is a concealer brush, by the way, so I'm gonna apply this base all over the place, especially in the tear duct area and also below the brows. And next, I'm gonna use this beautiful palette. So I'm gonna start off using the shade Strange below the brows to highlight a little bit. Oh my god, I just dropped the brush that comes with. So I'm gonna apply this color is more to the creamy side, and I'm gonna apply below the brows to highlight a little bit. This eyeshadow is very pigmented, so I'm gonna add in the product a little at a time. And to apply this eyeshadow, I'm using a shader brush. Next, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow called Black Heart, and this is very beautiful. It's a black eyeshadow with some pinky reflects on it. It's amazing. So I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow in the outer corner, in the tear duct area, and also in the crease. But I'm gonna try to leave a blank space without any eyeshadow in the middle of the eyelid, and then I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow Nooner to be my transition shade. I'm gonna pick up this eyeshadow using a very small blending brush, and I'm gonna first place this eyeshadow in between the highlighting shade and also the Black Heart shade. So I'm gonna place it and blend in circular motions. This will be my transition shade and create this beautiful smoke effect. Now using a tiny brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Black Heart in the lower lash line. I'm gonna place the shade in the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna blend using the same colors that I used on top. So I'm gonna apply the shade Nooner to blend the Black Heart eyeshadow as well. And then, using the same eyeshadow base as before, I'm gonna clean up the eyelid and create my cut crease shape for this halo makeup look. So here in this step, you can use even a concealer if you want, or the same eyeshadow base, is up to you. And now I'm gonna use the shade Dust to apply in the center of the eyelid. This eyeshadow is very beautiful, has a lot of shimmer, and I really like the shade. It's a light pink shade, so I'm gonna place it in the middle of the eyelid. And next in the corners, I'm gonna apply the shadow called Factory, which is so beautiful. It's a very beautiful brown, shimmery, but it's more to the setting finish. It's not shimmery and it's not matte as well. It's very, very beautiful. I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow in between the black eyeshadow and the light pink eyeshadow. And to apply, I'm gonna use a short shader brush because it will give me more precision in the application of the colors. And to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna just touch up my blush. So I'm gonna use the Love Blush by Too Faced Cosmetics, and this is the color Justify My Love. And yes, for this video I already have my skin done already, so I'm gonna leave down below in the description box for you guys all the products that I use it, and also a tutorial of how I do my skin in case you're interested. And the liquid lipstick that I'm using today is Anti-Venom by Sigma Beauty as well. I really love this color. For me, is the most perfect nude shade. And before I filmed this video, I was using a red lipstick. That's why I have a lot of stain in my lips. That's why the color changes a little bit. That's it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.